my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. If you have been watching me for a long time, then you know that I love a good beauty tool, especially one that claims to anti-age me, take away my wrinkles, build my collagen, improve the elasticity. You know what I'm talking about. Well, throughout the years, I have introduced you to many facial tools that I have used. The Baby Quasar has been one, and this is an infrared system that you just hold over your face, and the red lights will help to stimulate collagen. And if you notice, now this has served me well over the years, and I still pull it out from time to time, but this one here is very small. It covers a very small area, so it was time consuming. And then as the years went by, I then started to use the light stim. And because it is bigger and it has more lights, I have been actually using this one a lot more than the Baby Quasar. The Baby Quasar is nice for tight spots, but this covers more ground. So I've been using this for a very long time. And then this company had sent me theirs, and it's Skin Clinical Reverse. I took this one to Florida. This is just the box. But I have been focusing this one on my mouth a lot, and it's a smaller head like the Baby Quasar. But all of these have served their purpose and served their purpose well for me. I have really liked them. So over the holidays, this company contacted me and asked me if I would like to try a beauty tool of theirs. And when I saw what it was, I did not even hesitate, because I actually had my eye on another brand, but it was so expensive, I just couldn't bring myself to do it. Yes, you just heard that out of my mouth. I couldn't bring myself to do it. So this company, Project E Beauty, wanted me to try their Skin Rejuvenation Lead Therapy Photon Mask. Now this is a full facial mask, and it also has a neck guard. So I jumped on it, of course. And I'm going to actually be using it in the video for you and show you how I am using it. Now, this was my first time using it. I unboxed it today because it happened to come just as I was leaving for Florida, and I didn't have time to get a video together, and I really wanted to do a good video for you. I hate rushing videos. I like to take my time and really plan them out. So the Skin Rejuvenation Lead Therapy Photon Mask looks like something out of Halloween. And Jason, I thought about having a big butcher knife right here with me with the mask on, but I thought my humor may be lost on some. But anyway, this one has several different colors of light. Now, with most of the handheld ones, you buy either red or you buy blue. Red is usually the anti-aging, and blue is good for acne skin. And like I said, these tools have served me well. If you're somebody who's not into the full mask, these tools are really nice. But this one here has your red light, and it is one of the most powerful colors to increase blood circulation. It stimulates skin cells to excrete collagen to achieve firm and smooth texture. Then we have our blue lights, which are excellent effect of curing acne, killing bacteria, and improving sensitive skin. We also have a green light therapy with this one, which is anti-aging, smooth wrinkles, fine lines, and cures wounds. And then we have a purple light, which is relaxing and improves lymph metabolism. And we also have the cyan light, which is a gentle acne treatment, inflammation, skin mitigation. And we have yellow lights, which improves microcirculation, adjusts factors, and inhibits melanin production. So I will be using that yellow one a lot with the red. I'm actually going to try them all. Of course, I don't need to really worry about blue because I don't have any acne, but I think it's a great option to have so many different colors. You can do a different color every single night. And then we have the white light, which are just simply relaxing, but they do activate your skin's natural renewal system to reverse the effects of aging, at the same time restoring a younger and healthier skin. So what I thought I would do is just do the unboxing, and I will do a side-by-side video of me doing it, which so you will see me actually demonstrating the mask, and I leave it on. I had started with 15 minutes, but I decided to lower it down to 10 minutes for this video. So the mask comes in a box. It has a control unit, It has some plugs that plug into the mask and the neck mask into the wall so that it can charge the unit, and then it becomes wireless. You don't need to have this plugged in. You get a little plug to plug in with the adapter on it, and then for the neck you get an elastic. I'm going to pull it out here. The neck comes just like this, and there'll be this elastic piece, and you just pop them into place here. And then you don't want to have it super tight. There's no reason to have it super tight, so put it on your neck comfortably, and then that will hold the neck in place. And then for the face, it does have a really built up eye area to protect the eyes, and these don't actually lay up against my eyes. Now this is not really heavy, but I will say that because I have a very narrow bridge of my nose, it was a little uncomfortable sitting up in the video, but it is really meant for you to lay down and enjoy the 10 minutes or the 15 minutes that you are actually using it. So what you do is you just pop these into place on the side, and they just go in like a pair of sunglasses. And then we'll do the other side, and they just pop right into place, and then you just slide it on your face as I'm showing. And then you don't ever want to look into any of the lights while they're on. So you take your power unit, you're going to hit the power, and then you'll hit your start button, and it will be 20 minutes, and you can lower that to 15 minutes to 10 minutes, or you can take it back up to 25 minutes, all the way up to 60 minutes. However, they do suggest that when you start with 10 minutes only. You don't need to go crazy. And then you can also adjust the intensity of the light. That's 3, 4, 5, and then you can go back down to 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I did it at 3 in between, but when you're first starting out, they suggest you start at the low and work yourself up to the highest. So the button in the center changes the color of the light. So you actually have 7 different colors, which I already explained. So we'll turn the unit off now. So now in prepping your skin, they suggest you use a serum, which this does come with, but you know me, I'm not really into, I shouldn't say that there's anything wrong with it, because there's not, but I'm just not into these serums that come with stuff like this. I would rather use my more potent. But they do suggest that you use a serum, an ion, or a cream. So I thought what I did in my video is I started out with the Genius by Ageless for my lips. And then I went ahead with my Truth Serum, and this is the Ben Fuchs Truth Serum System. I put the C on, and I just dropped it on my face, as you can see, and massaged it in. And then I took my Perricone MD Eyelid Lift Serum, put that on. And then over the Truth Serum, I have the Skin Medica Lumivive Day. This is a set that came, and this is their newest product, and I've been dabbling in it a little bit here and there. But what it does is it just protects your skin. Let me get my zoom lens. This is your Damage Defense Serum. And it's this clinically proven serum provides a bio barrier against environmental aggressors, including blue light, pollution, and damaging rays that age your skin. A revolutionary blend of antioxidants, peptides, and natural extracts help further prevent skin damage and helps restore dull, tired, and stressed skin. So you saw me put this on, and then for my neck, I went ahead and I used my Dr. Brandt neck sculpting cream that I just did a video on. But if you're somebody who prefers to use an oil and you would like to use something with a little bit of retinol, if you have a rose hip oil, I love the rose hip oil by Pi. It is their rose hip bio regenerate oil. You could put this on, and then you're getting some of the benefits of a vitamin A. If you use the Jordan Samuel line, you can go ahead and use your hydrating facial serum along with the Etul with retinol treatment. You could go ahead and use those. I wouldn't use it with Retin A as with the lights, because that may be a little bit too aggressive. But you have to go ahead and use things that are good for your skin type. You may be more sensitive than me. You may have other issues than me. So always pay attention to your own skin when using this. But they do recommend you use it with a serum, a cream, an oil, or of course, serum that comes in theirs. This is actually, what is this called? This is called their Duplex Collagen Protein Treatment Ion Gel. So you could go ahead and just use that. But anyway, overall, it feels like absolutely nothing using it. It doesn't get hot or anything like that. It just helps to stimulate collagen, which we all know with age, we lose our collagen. And when we lose our collagen, our skin starts to sag. So me, I have always been into tools. I don't get into all of them, but these have served me well. So I really like the fact that I don't have to sit there. I do this when I watch television. I just sit there, hold it, move it along my face until I'm done. Or if I'm reading a book at night, that's what I've been doing. But now I can just slip this on and lay down, and I can still read a book because I can see, unless you can't put your glasses on, of course. But if you have your contacts in still and you wanted to do this mid-afternoon, you can go ahead and use this because your eyes are protected from the light. When I had this on, I was looking out. You don't see any of the light. If you move your eyes down, you then see the light. So you don't want to look at the light directly, but just another option of anti-aging ourselves. Now below there will be, this was sent to me. It is not a sponsored video. However, I did ask them if there was some sort of percentage that you could save on a mask if you're somebody who's interested in the Photon mask. There will be a 5% code below for you. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you a little beauty tool from Project E Beauty, and I am going to continue to use this well, it says 3 to 4 times a week. It says it is suggested that you do not use the mask for more than 20 minutes each time. The suggested operating time is between 10 and 15 minutes. More likely, you will want to start with the 10-minute treatment 4 times a week. So I'm going to use this 4 times a week, and I'll probably use it for a solid month before I actually come back and tell you what I think. And I'm going to use it with all my lotions and potions that I have been using forever, so I know how they work for me already. So we'll come back in a month and we'll see how it's working on my neck and my face. All right, and let us know in the comments if you're already using the Project E Beauty Skin Rejuvenation Lead Therapy Photon Mask. Now I know they had an old version of this that did not come with the neck, and it was said to be a little bit heavier. The only thing that was uncomfortable for me, again, I will say, is the bridge of my nose is very angular and it's bone on skin. That is it for me. I don't have any fat around this area. And that was the only thing. Sitting up, it was uncomfortable because the weight of it was on the bridge of my nose here. But if you're laying down, you're not going to experience that. And this is the only way I will be using this mask, is to be laying down. Okay? That's it for me today. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.